We are on to everybody's favorite subject, finishing. There are a million different ways to finish a guitar. There are a million different ways to prep, to seal, to drop fill, to finish. There are waterborne finishes. There are two-part catalyzed urethane finishes. There's UV finishes. There are oil finishes. And everybody's got their favorite, and everybody has their own way to do their favorite. I am not about to touch on almost any of those things. What I'm going to show you is just a really quick, easy, fairly durable, very classic way to finish. And that is the French polish. The French polish, to me, is one of the safest ways to finish a guitar because one, the finish itself is not toxic, and two, because it's very repairable. If you mess it up along the way, you can just kind of start over and just go to it. It's really easy to fix. In this limited amount of time, it's the best way that I know how to finish a guitar completely and be able to move on to the next steps of getting the neck set, the bridge set, and the nut, the saddle, and start getting strings on it and really start to get set up. But before we can get to any of that stuff, we first need to prep this guitar. We need to surface prep for that finish. We need to sand, we need to fill, we need to mask off a few things, and there are some very important steps that we have to get to before we can even talk about that finish. So let's move on to surface prep right now, and I'll show you what I'm talking about.